In Splunk environments, it can be difficult to understand which data sets are actively being used, which are underutilized, and where optimization opportunities exist. Atlas Data Hub helps teams manage and govern their Splunk data by providing visibility into how data is consumed across scheduled searches, ad hoc searches, and dashboards. Start by navigating to Data Hub and selecting the Data Utilization view. Here, you can see activity metrics for each data set, including scheduled searches, ad hoc searches, dashboard activity, ingest volume, and overall utilization. This gives you a centralized view into how effectively your data is being consumed. Use the table to quickly identify high-use, underutilized, or inactive datasets. You can also review metadata, like data labels and owners, to understand who is responsible for each data source. Combined with utilization metrics, this helps prioritize optimization and governance efforts. To investigate a specific dataset, open the Action menu and select View Dataset Utilization. This opens a detailed utilization breakdown for the selected dataset. At the top, the activity timeline visualizes usage trends over time, including scheduled searches, dashboards, and ad hoc search activity. This helps identify usage spikes, inactive periods, or unexpected activity patterns. Below the timeline, you can review detailed activity information, including scheduled searches and alerts using the dataset, associated dashboards, ad hoc search activity, and the users interacting with the data. This provides complete visibility into how your data is being utilized throughout the environment. And that's it. With data utilization in Data Hub, you can better understand how your data is consumed and make more informed governance and optimization decisions. Atlas by Presidio. Know your data. Own your outcomes.